Why does one person build wealth quietly, while the other drowns in debt trying to look rich? What are the invisible habits, systems, and mental traps that silently keep 99% stuck? Globally, nearly 70% of the population lives paycheck to paycheck, even among those earning six figures. What if you're just one mindset shift away from flipping your financial future? What if the rules you were taught about money are actually designed to keep you in the 99%? And most importantly, what are the rich doing behind the scenes that no one taught you in school or even at your job? In this video, I'm going to break down the 10 deadly traps keeping people broke and how you can escape each one. We'll talk about psychology, system building, real-life strategies, and how to rewire your approach to money. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Let's dive in. Number 1. Chasing income instead of building equity. Chasing a bigger paycheck won't make you rich. If it did, every six-figure earner would be financially free. That's because they're stuck in the income trap, working harder for money instead of making money work for them. It feels productive, but it's an illusion. So how do you escape the income hamster wheel and start building real wealth? You stop exchanging time for money and start accumulating assets. Buy into dividend-paying stocks. Start a side hustle with scalable income. Invest in REITs, mutual funds, or online businesses where you own a piece of the pie. Build equity in your own brand. Even a newsletter or affiliate site can be a digital asset worth $50,000 plus in 2 to 3 years. Equity is what gives you leverage, the ability to earn without showing up every single day. If your money only works when you do, you don't have wealth, you have a job. Equity compounds, salaries don't. Number 2. Subconsciously inheriting a scarcity mindset. Picture a kid growing up constantly hearing, "We can't afford that." Fast forward to adulthood, and they still say it, even with a steady paycheck. That's inherited scarcity. Your early money environment wires your financial thermostat. If you subconsciously believe there's never enough, you'll repel wealth no matter how much you earn. Average person thinks budgeting alone can fix scarcity. But the issue isn't money, it's mindset. Scarcity convinces you to play defense. The wealthy, they play offense. Start rewiring your subconscious. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," ask, "How can I afford it without trading time?" Read affirmations aloud. Write new financial beliefs. Surround yourself with abundance-minded people. Scarcity creates stress. Abundance breeds strategy. But what if the way we consume content is also hijacking our ability to build wealth? The next point will shock you. Number 3. Consuming more than you create. Every morning, Tom scrolls through Instagram, Lamborghini, mansion, Bali. He's motivated. Until reality hits, he's still broke. Why? Because he consumes instead of creating. The internet either makes you money or wastes it. Most stay broke because they become spectators, not creators. Many folks spending 4+ hours daily watching YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, yet saying they don't have time to build a side hustle. Flip the ratio. Spend 80% of your online time creating, whether it's content, courses, newsletters, or digital products. Start small, start messy, but start. James Clear in Atomic Habits says, "Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become." The wealth gap is turning into a creation gap. Don't just scroll, ship something. Number 4. Surrounded by people who normalize struggle. If all your friends complain about rent, but none talk about ETFs, REITs, or building a passive income stream, you're being conditioned to stay broke and believe it's okay. To break this cycle, you need to do one thing: change your environment, both physically and digitally. Start following YouTubers, podcasts, and creators who talk about portfolio diversification, high-yield dividend stocks, long-term investing, financial freedom. And stop hanging around people who only talk about making ends meet. Join online communities focused on wealth building, not drama. Start spending 10 minutes daily consuming content from people ahead of you in mindset and money. If you're truly serious about financial independence, early retirement, and building a passive income stream, stop hanging with people who normalize being broke. Get around those who talk stock market analysis, cash flowing assets, and compound interest like it's everyday conversation. Number 5. Confusing comfort with progress. Just because your bills are paid and you have a Netflix subscription doesn't mean you're progressing. One of the deadliest traps keeping 99% of people broke is confusing comfort with progress. You're not growing, you're coasting. The wealthy don't chase comfort, they chase freedom. The moment something feels too easy, they raise the bar. Want to escape the trap? Start doing what makes most people uncomfortable. Track your net worth, invest $300 per month in index funds, build a high-income skill, say no to unnecessary spending, and learn how compound interest in stocks actually works. If you want financial freedom, early retirement, and a future of passive income, stop letting comfort hold you hostage. Number 6. Selling time instead of scaling systems. Most people, yes, 99%, are selling the only thing they can never get back: time. They work 40, 50, even 60 hours a week, hoping overtime or a raise will save them. But guess what? That's not wealth. That's modern slavery in a white-collar suit. In The Millionaire Fast Lane, MJ DeMarco wrote, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die." Yet most people still chase gigs, jobs, and freelance work without asking, how do I turn this into a system that works without me? So how do you get out of the time trap? Build once, earn forever. Start by identifying any skill or service you provide and turn it into a product or automated system. That could mean creating a digital course, automating your business with software, building an email list, or investing in passive income sources like REITs, ETFs, and stock portfolios. The average Uber driver earns $19 per hour, but the creator of an Uber clone app earns millions a month, not because they worked harder, but because they scaled smarter. Number 7. Overworking instead of strategizing. Emily, a burnt-out social media manager from Denver earning $60,000 per year. She worked 10 hours a day and barely kept up. One day, she stepped back and mapped her workflow. She cut 40% of tasks, outsourced design to Fiverr, and built a Canva template store. That one system now earns her $3,000 per month in passive income, while she works fewer hours and finally started investing in monthly dividend stocks and a robo-advisor portfolio. Her secret? She stopped overworking and started out thinking. Wealthy aren't just hard workers, they're master strategists. They ask, where can I get maximum output from minimum input? Want to break free from the overwork trap? Start by identifying your highest leverage activities. This could be automating your sales funnel, hiring a virtual assistant to free up time, or investing 20% of your income into index funds and cash-flowing assets. Work should be a tool, not a treadmill. A few hours of smart thinking can replace hundreds of hours of blind hustle. And finally, the most dangerous trap of all, the belief that it's too late. Michael, 48, thought he was too old to start investing. Then he bought his first rental property. 3 years later, it covers his daughter's college fees. Time matters, but what you do with your remaining time matters more. Start where you are. Play the long game. Focus on daily shifts, not overnight success. It's never too late to plant the tree that will shade your future. So, why do 99% stay poor? It's not because they're lazy. It's because they follow the wrong playbook. But you now hold a different map. If you start applying even 2 or 3 of these shifts today, your financial trajectory will change forever. So if this video gave you clarity, make sure to subscribe to You Are Wealthy, your go-to place for actionable wealth-building strategies backed by psychology, research, and real-world results. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.